Okay, hi guys. Today we are going to be playing Five Nights at Freddy's 3. I only got the demo, I'm sorry. Getting the full version to once I the next episode we'll be playing after we're done the night 6. We'll be playing Five Nights at Freddy's 5. Five Nights at Freddy's 4. Okay, new game. Kid. So, you guys wanted me to play Five Nights at Freddy's Facebook, so I'm doing it.
Hey, glad you came back for another night. I promise it'll be a lot more interesting this time. We found some great new relics over the weekend, and we're out tracking down a new lead right now. So let me just update you real quick, then you can get to work. Like, the attraction opens in like a week, so we have to make sure everything works and nothing catches.
No, always being at the call. Why did I press that? This is freaky. Move this down a little bit down here. Okay. Bonnie, you better not be running around. Oh. Oh. Don't you dare, Bonnie. Don't you dare. Hello? What was that? I don't want to show my face. I'm jump scared. Because I know you guys will laugh. Hello? It's 2 a.m. Bonnie. Bonnie. Spring trap. I hated when Chica's face is right there and she jump scares. I watched the preview. 2 more hours. 2 more hours. Wait, did I see his? Oh my god. Spring trap. There's only 2 more hours so we can survive this guy. Anything in events? Hello. Sorry, my camera's a bit laggy. It's glitching up. Oh my god. I was just a red fursuit. That scared me, right? That scared me. Wait, can you tap a game? Yay! Dun. Yay, we survived the night, guys. What's happening? What? What? Mango Quest? Is there any jumping? No. No, what if... Okay, I'll exit the game. What? Did my phone just... Did the game crash? Oh my god. freaking me out. And
Hey man, okay, I have some awesome news for you. First of all, we found some vintage audio training cassettes. Dude, these are like prehistoric. I think they were like training tapes for like other employees, something like that. So I thought we could like have them playing like over the speakers as people walk through the attraction. Dude, that makes us feel legit, man. But I have an even better surprise for you. You're not gonna believe this.
Don't
We
dare,
found
Jeff.
a real one. Gotta go, man. Well, look, it's in there somewhere. I'm sure you'll see it. Okay, I'll leave you with some of this great audio that I found. Talk to you later, man.
What? What happened? What? 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 Do I just go to the exit again? Or do I go over here somewhere? I'm still missing one more balloon. There's no balloon here. What? How am I gonna exit? Whoa. Look, there's a crying children up there. Aww. Look at this colorful balloon. But look at that crying children. How do we get up there? Crying children! Those must be the souls from Five Freddy's. When Purple Man killed all those souls, and then those children, and then they went into their suits. That must be the boy that was left out into the gold one. The Golden Freddy. Let me collect this balloon. The game crashed. Oh, I don't know. Please call me, guys. Don't you dare.
Hello?
Well, what's that? Is that an arm? It's gone. Am I gonna get jump scared? Is he in the vent? He's not in the vent. Where is he? Guys, I'm scared. Bonnie. What? Is he in the vent? Is he here stepping? Okay, his arm's there. Stay there now. Oh my god. What? What is it? Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm scared. Was that me? Okay, calm down, guys. Stop that whispering. You're scaring me too. Stop whispering. Okay, guys, the video is gonna end pretty soon, so, let's just try to look for, let's try to look for that springy trap. Where are you? I don't know.
Hi.
What? 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 Oh my god. What is that? What is that? Oh my god. Oh my god. What's going on? Okay, guys. I'm never gonna play this game ever again. So, we are going to end the video now, and I hope to see you guys again. So, bye. Never gonna play this game again.